All of this solar keratosis, sun damage can be helped with fractionated laser. It does happen in people who tan easily, who are a Fitzpatrick 3.
Dermis should be that little bright pink color right there, type 1 collagen. But instead, this dermis is totally replaced with blue, gray, disorganized, tangled up elastic fibers. So this is called solar elastosis, and that indicates that this person has probably been out in the sun all day, every day of the week for many, many years.
All right, Jesse, what do you think of Rest More?
Rest More, I was a little kind of skeptic in the beginning, but I've been taking it for about a month now. Definitely fall asleep really easy, but the cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy in the mornings. I'm able to work out, run like I normally do, but I stay sound asleep for a good 8 hours every night.
Awesome, thank you.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.